don't like this at all. This is just, it's not a fun challenge. Darnell, I need y'all to understand.
What?
He think he's slick.
They want to get out of their cramped townhouse and buy a larger home here in Lancaster where
Destini.
she grew up.
What?
Let's go!
Stop.
Watch out.
Back
I got you
up.
right now.
Hey.
Let it go. Let him go. Let him go. Give him to me. Give him to me.
Let me.
Give him to me. Just let him go.
Alright,
To where I can access it. Let him go.
You're my whole body.
I know.
Okay, get out.
You gonna promise you gonna let him go?
Yes, I will
Promise.
give them to you.
Say it.
I will give them to you.
Let me see him.
I can't move. Bro.
I hear him. I just did. Give him up.
Darnell,
Give him
stop.
up. Right here.
I'm not about to play with you.
I know. Shut up. Oh, okay, good.
Okay,
You gonna
okay.
give him to me? I'm gonna pinch charge you.
Okay, here.
Let him go.
You think he's slick, y'all. Put it on. Put it on.
He think
Hurry
he's
up.
slick.
Give me a hug. Stop.
You said you're doing the wrong arm anyway.
I'm supposed to do this one?
Why are you trying to have me looking stupid?
Alright, so we got dressed. But we still don't have shoes on, so I don't know how this is gonna work.
It's gonna work. You gotta make it work.
And I have to do my makeup.
Oh, wow. I got you. I'll hold it.
Okay, where are your shoes?
Man, I said socks first. Where you going?
I have to get my shoes.
Come on, man. I told you you got fingers for toes. Look at you just grabbing your damn.
Wait, hold this.
She is just grabbing her heels with her toes though, like fingers.
So dramatic. Exactly.
Y'all
You
see
don't
us?
even know where they at. Okay, so
That's Destini pooping. Yeah, I heard that. Can't make a slip up. Ugh.
how are we gonna
What, Destini? How we gonna do
use
what?
the restroom in public? That's the only part I'm concerned about.
Just gonna have to squat. That's what you gonna have to do.
Bam! Just like that.
Destini,
Hold on.
come on, big bruh.
Ooh, skirt. Let's go.
That was fast.
I know. Come
Alright.
on.
Destini, sit down.
I need my candy. I'm not the one.
Y'all ain't
in the
seen.
suit.
I ain't put the stunning shades on yet. I still gotta do my hair. I gotta,
Yeah, so
know what
we'll
I'm
do
saying?
that.
That's your.
Come on.
Destini, Destini.
Come on.
Destini, bring yourself back over here. That hurts.
Come on.
What's wrong with you?
I need to answer my phone.
Well, man, it ain't no dang emergency. We can't fly back right now.
Hold this.
I got you, big bruh.
Let's go to the bathroom.
Destini, I have to get my bathroom accessories.
Oh, I gotta get my toothbrush too.
I know you better do. Get your damn toothbrush.
Hello.
They get the up close and personal on Destiny.
For the toothpaste. I have toothpaste. Let me go. Come on. Got it, dude. Why is the toilet up?
Cause you used the bathroom.
I didn't. I really didn't. I don't like this at all. This is just, it's not a fun challenge. I'm tired. I just know I feel cold already and we haven't even left. So you guys, this is the final product. Ow! Yeah, I'm just here for the food. Look at my outfit. I have a cute outfit on. I can't even be cute.
Oh no, I got you, baby. Look, there you go. Looking like how you?
I can't be cute because this.
But yeah, I guess we can manage. We gonna see it. That's me.
Come on. Y'all got my candy. We on the highest floor of life, y'all.
That's me. Come on.
They got us at the top.
So we're leaving. Look what she came up on.
I had to match my man's fly, okay? Wait for the picture. Okay, get into this.
I kind of liked it when I was the only one with the shades on, but now she want to be extra. Now we're finna, what we're finna do?
Hood rat stuff.
You said what?
Do hood rat stuff.
We're finna go on a trolley.
Oh wait, that was one person.
Lord have mercy. Help us. Look at that
Forehead
forehead.
glistening. If your forehead ain't this bright, then God don't love you. Sorry. What are we about to do? We're about to take a trolley to, I don't know where it goes, but eventually we want to end up at Pier 38.
Yeah.
I think that's what it is. And then maybe hit up Chinatown today, and then go to our hotel.
Take some cool little flicks, and then go back to the hotel where we can relax and get up out of these.
People think we're crazy. Yo, this hurt. Hey. That hurt. Ow. Bruh. You pushed it in more or what? Thank you.
Now she's happy. She got what she wanted. She's happy now. Here, grab my thing.
Thank you.
Good. Really walk.
So guys, we were just trying to wait for the F stop or F train. I don't really know what it's called, but it didn't come. So we're just gonna go to like Chinatown, take pictures, and be cute. Ooh. Yo, I need y'all to look at this Burger King. What in the dysfunction? I've never seen it. It doesn't even have stuff on it.
You never seen what Burger King there?
Yeah, it's not even decorated.
We're not from here.
It's on the other side.
Oh, tell me something.
Yeah.
They said we're gonna let you know the front and the back.
Here's a nice
here.
entrance.
Oh, it's cute.
About, yeah.
I was confused, honey.
But it's still.
He said we get you where you got to go. Hit a dance for the people. Hey, 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 hey. He got me Starbucks, y'all. I'm shocked.
This is nasty, Destiny. You don't got no taste at all.
Yeah. So we just got to Chinatown. Let me adjust this for y'all.
You only got 8 seconds left.
And look at all the chickens. So we got some ways to walk, but this is
Stop in the middle.
So let's get it. How you feel?
I'm tired, honestly.
You look really good.
Thank you, but I'm really tired. I appreciate it.
Come on, let's go.
How you doing?
Shush. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that greatness. Look at that greatness. I don't know if his hands is clean.
Destiny, throw that away. It was nasty.
It's good. It's vanilla.
Alright, we're working the pills. We have to go home.
We're gonna take some cute pictures. It's a cute little town.
I'm not here for
but I have to take a different picture.
I'm not here for this. I'm not for this. She gonna be here by herself, y'all.
So grouchy, y'all.
Man, she got me out here just.
I want an iconic picture. He did a great job yesterday.
I know. And I'm done. After that.
Nah, I need one more. I need one every day.
I'm tired, y'all.
Yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna put my trash because I'm about to litter.
We ain't from here.
But I don't want to be that. I don't want to do that.
Destiny, throw that away.
Listen, Beyonce is back by popular demand. I done got some shades. Let me tell you, honey, I don't know how to act, you know. My alter ego. I know y'all see we don't got no handcuffs on.
I already told them about it. Let's go.
Yeah, so we about to put them back on.
Wow.
We had to take them off for the picture. You
Wow.
know? We had to. If you was us, you would do the same thing, and we're not gonna cheat because we
already
taking them
did.
back off. No, but we're not taking them back off.
Don't put it on my dang thing hard. Look what she be doing. Look.
Boo. Handcuffed. If he ain't cuffed you, it ain't real.
Working my
You gotta
nerves.
humble these men. You feel me?
I can't wait until I gotta go pee, cause once we get back in this hotel, I gotta go pee.
We both gotta pee.
I'm gonna have her hold it for me.
That's getting at it.
So now we're here. Our table is kind of rocky, but
If I tell y'all, it is 2:57. Y'all can't see that. Stop.
it's 2:57, guys, and now we're here. It's kicking in. The handcuff challenge is kicking in. She's really going crazy. It's like I'm cool.
This is the most irritating thing ever. Like, I'm annoyed. Like,
She crying.
yo, we have so much time.
You gotta talk a little louder.
They can hear me.
No, they can't. It's
There's a
traffic.
lot of time to be connected.
But this is really gonna show us how deeply
I don't
we
think
like
so.
each other.
Listen, this little handcuff challenge is for birds, you know.
And the bees.
We don't really need
Let's
to be that
bring
close.
let's bring it a little closer
No,
for
that's
Destiny.
fine.
Move.
Stop.
Destiny, you annoying. Why you need all the camera?
You
ain't
can really
nobody.
do this. I can give up. Wait, this how we get it down? This how we get down?
Destiny, you can't do no video stuff, bro. Look. You're terrible. You gotta relax.
Anywho, he gonna feed me, y'all.
Who gonna feed her?
I'm shook. He feeding me.
It's on the house.
So basically we're about to eat.
I haven't ate
I
breakfast.
think we should catch the tram
The
today.
only thing that
Should
we
do the
ate.
tram today.
Thank you so much. Excuse me.
I have one without ice. I'm so sorry. I want with
Okay.
ice. Is that okay?
I'll take the one.
And then I'll take. I'll be back for your order in a minute. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
I already know what I want.
Water with lemon is essential. It's essential.
Anyway,
Why are you so conceited?
I'm hot. I'm real hot. And
Stop moving
I'm
so much.
tired.
Why your hand all the way over here?
Yeah.
That has been getting irritating though, to be honest with you. But I mean, these are the things I got to do to cope with her, and
Anyway, we'll check back in with you guys a little
they can't
later.
hear you. Destiny, you whispering.
Anyway, we'll check back in with you guys later. After this, we're gonna do some touristy things, I guess.
Yeah, she
He
picking
gonna
the
tell
rest.
me what's on our list, so I'm about to find it right now. So.